Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to use the TikTok analytics. This is a easy process to do. The first thing you need to do is go to the application of TikTok, and after that you need to go to your profile here in the down right part. And now the only thing you need to do is go to the superior right corner in the option of these three lines. And after that, you need to go to the option of Creator Tools. So here you got a couple of options: analytics, monetization, more tools, creation inspiration. But you need to pick here in analytics. So you got here like the preview of your analytics, like post views, net followers, likes, your last post. This is a test account, so don't have like big numbers in analytics, but that's it. You pick here in analytics, view all, and that's it. You got the metrics of your account, like content, followers, live. You got all the information of the account. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.